Hi friends, welcome to Futurizing Consulting Private Limited, an ISO certified company. With the help of this video, we are trying to make you understand how you can follow the typing instruction of PDF to MS.WORD. I request you to watch the video till the end and contact us if you have any queries. This is the typing instruction sheet that you have to follow. As per the first instruction, the text data in the Word document is to be the same as in the JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means whatever is written in the PDF file, you have to type same in MS.WORD. Number of pages in the Word document file must be same as in the JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means you have to maintain same number of pages which is there in the PDF file. Formatting alignment, center, left and right as needed in instruction or as in JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means wherever the data is aligned, you have to align at the same place in the Word file. You can align the data from here, left, center and right. The next instruction is put bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript as needed in JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means wherever the data is written, however the data is written, if it's in bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript, you have to type same. You can make the data bold from here, italic from here, underline from here, subscript from here and superscript from here. Big letters like heading, font should be Arial bold and size 14. That means whatever the headings would be, you have to give Arial bold font and size should be 14. Small letters font like subheading, Arial bold, size 12 points. That means wherever the subheading would be, you have to give Arial bold, size 12. General text running matter, font style Times New Roman, size 10 points. In case of multi-column text, general text size can be reduced as it required. That means all the running matter like the paragraphs you have to type in 10 size in Times New Roman. Page size for JPG must be A4 and for PDF page size must be as appear in the PDF file. That means whatever the page size is given in the PDF, you have to use the same page size in the Word, and if you are given with the JPG file, then you have to use A4. You can check the PDF page size from here, File, Properties. The page size will appear over here. Now you can set the page size in MS.WORD from Page Layout option, Size. If the sizes are given over here, then you can select it. If not, then you can take it from more paper size and write the width and height over here and then click OK. Images like graph, charts, photos, images, logo, icons, etc. should be copy and paste in the Word file. That means if images are there, then you have to take the screenshot of image and you have to copy paste in the Word. You can take it from edit option, take a snapshot. Whatever the image you are required with, you can take the snapshot like this. This text will get copied and then you can paste it in MS.WORD. Align the text as it appears in JPG, PDF, TIFF file with proper use of tabs wherever needed. That means you have to align the data at the same place wherever it is aligned in the PDF. Save the file with the same file name as of JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means whatever the PDF file name will be, you have to give the same file name for the Word, and whatever the folder name will be, you have to give the same name of folder. MS.WORD file must be added to WinZip or WinRAR extension file, must be same as per the downloaded file from client website. That means you have to send the file only after converting it to zip. You can either use WinRAR or WinZip. Left column data should be typed in left column and right column data should be typed in right column from the JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means if the data is in left column, you have to type in left, and if it's in right column, you have to type in right. You can use the column data from here. Page layout, columns. If 2 columns are needed, you can select 2. If 3 columns are needed, you can select 3. The next instruction is heading and subheading should be properly aligned. That means wherever the subheading and headings are aligned, you have to align at the same place in the Word document. Data of JPG, PDF, TIFF, new page should be start from a new page of a Word file. That means if the page is not filled completely, you don't have to fill the page completely in the Word document as well. If one page in the PDF is left blank, then you have to leave it blank in document file. Paragraph must be started by using first line indent format. Do not use extra tab. That means you need to start the paragraph from first line indent. You have to set it in the page layout option. In the page layout option, there is an option of paragraph. You have to select first line from here and then you have to click on OK. Now whenever you will type, it will start from first line. Then the next instruction is paragraph indent space should be 0.25. Again you have to set in page layout option. In paragraph, in by option you have to make it 0.25. Now whenever you will start it, the line will get start from first line in 0.25. Next instruction is if any word is not readable in JPG, PDF, TIFF file, then use W sign in document file. That means if any of the word is not readable in the PDF, then you have to apply this sign. If any line is not readable in JPG, PDF, TIFF file, then use L sign in document file. In case of line, if it's not readable, you have to apply this sign. If any paragraph is not readable in JPG, PDF, TIFF file, then use P sign in the document file. Again for the paragraph, it's not readable, you have to give this sign. Then the next instruction is header of the page not heading should be kept center, left, right or by using center, left or right alignment as shown in the JPG, PDF or TIFF file or as an instruction. That means wherever the header are written, you have to align at the same place. Wherever the headers are aligned, you have to align at the same place. Wherever you will set the first page header, in the next page the header will come at the same place. Then the next instruction is please use 2 spaces after full stop, question mark or any special mark. That means you have to give 2 spaces after all the special characters. If a line is getting end over here, then you have to give double spaces after all of them. If there is a greater than sign, then also you have to give double spaces after them. The next instruction is spell check must be done correctly and medical terminology should be maintained in Word file and ignore all spelling and grammatical mistakes in Word file. That means if we type something wrong, then red line will get appear. You have to ignore this red lines. From the review option, you can select ABC spelling and grammar. Then you have to ignore over here. You have to ignore till this message comes. The spelling and grammar check is complete. Then you have to click on OK. The next instruction is insert the symbol if required from insert symbol menu. If any of the symbol is required, then you can take it from here. All the equations to be typed using equation editor only. If any of the equations are there in the PDF, you can type it from there. If the input file contains double scanned pages on one, then each part or side should be considered as new page or different page. That means if two pages are scanned together, then each page you have to type separately. Like this. Suppose these are the two pages which are scanned together, then the left part you have to type on a different page and the right part you have to type on a different page. Page number must be typed in footer, right side of right page and left side of left page in Word file if it is appear in JPG, PDF or TIFF file. That means if the page number is written in the PDF, then only you have to write in MS.WORD. Otherwise, you don't have to write page numbers. You have to insert footer. And over here, you have to write page numbers. Next instruction is all the text matter must be as line to line and para to para. That means from wherever the first line will get start, the next line should get start from the same place. Header size must be as running matter size and type. That means this header size should be in Times New Roman in 10 size. The next instruction is version of software MS Office 2000 with Word 9.0, Adobe Acrobat Reader 6.0. That means you have to use the software which is updated from MS Office 2000 and Acrobat updated from 6.0. Next instruction is no OCR cut copy paste, no converter allowed, just do it manually typing. That means you don't have to cut copy paste the data instead of images. Rest you have to type all the data. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood all the instructions. Still, if you find any of the queries, you can contact us on 8130 732 555. Thank you so much.